Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to spell check in Google Sheets. So let me open a sample Google document. So here is my sample document, my words list. I'm opening this. So this contains some type 1 and type 2 words. Here, some of the words having spelling mistakes. So if I go one by one and check each and everything, that will be a tedious task. So I'll show you how to spell check easily. So first you need to select this row. So I am selecting this type 1 row to check the spell mistakes. So once you select, go to the tools and click on spelling and spell check. So once you click on that, it will show you what are the spelling mistakes. See, if you see here, aggressive spelling is written incorrectly and it is showing to change. So I'm clicking to change, and capability also, and one more thing, and one more thing. That's it. So it completed all the searches. So if you want to search the remaining thing, you just need to select this one. So in the same manner, selecting type 2, tools, spelling, spell check. So it is loading and it is showing the spell check, and I am changing the spellings. And if you want to search in the sheets, the remaining column, you can click on this one. And if you want to search complete all the sheets, you can click on this. But be careful when you are selecting these two options. In this manner, we can check the spellings and correct in Google Sheets. Thank you. Thank you for watching this video.